In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and resolve account restrictions on Robinhood using your web browser. If you've ever run into an unexpected roadblock when trying to access your account or complete a trade, don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to identify the restriction and, if possible, get your account back to normal quickly and safely. To start, go ahead and open your preferred browser and head over to the Robinhood website. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper part of the page for the notifications icon. Click on this to open up any recent alerts from Robinhood. This is where Robinhood communicates important messages, including the specific reason for any account restrictions. Carefully review your notifications for a message that explains why your account may be restricted. Depending on the reason shown, you'll need to follow a specific approach to resolve the issue. If your notification states that identity verification is required, you will see a prompt labeled Verify. Click on this, and you'll be guided through the process of uploading the necessary identification document. Make sure the document you provide is clear, valid, and matches your account details. This helps Robinhood process your verification quickly. If the message relates to a problem with your linked bank account, such as a failed transfer, you'll want to navigate to the account section, then click on Transfers. Here, you'll see details about any failed deposits or withdrawals. Follow the on-screen instructions to either fix the failed transfer or, if needed, remove the problematic bank account and link a new one. It's important to make sure your bank information is both accurate and up to date to prevent future issues. Now, if the notification mentions a pattern day trade restriction, unfortunately, there's no immediate fix. This restriction occurs when you make more than 3-day trades in a 5 business day period with a margin account and your equity falls below a certain threshold. In this case, you simply need to wait until the warning period expires. There's no way to lift it manually, so it's crucial to be patient and plan your trades accordingly to avoid this in the future. If you're informed your account is under review, look for the Help tab, usually found in the menu. Click on Contact Support and complete the provided form with accurate details. This will submit your case to the Robinhood support team, who will investigate further. Make sure to describe your situation clearly and provide any supporting information that may help expedite the process. Once you've taken the required action for your specific situation, refresh the page. Most of the time, if the issue is resolved, any account restrictions will be automatically removed and you'll regain normal access swiftly. That's it for today. By following these steps carefully, you'll be able to identify and usually resolve most account restrictions on Robinhood through your browser. If you run into any ongoing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Robinhood support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your investing.